BMW appears to be preparing a new addition to the GS family. Following the launch of the BMW F450 GS, the gap between the F450 GS and the F900 GS is now being filled by a far more intriguing model, the new BMW F600 GS. This mid-range adventure bike was spotted during testing, and judging by its design, BMW seems to be building a more powerful GS that remains agile and practical for both long-distance travel and off-road terrain. In terms of the engine, early reports suggest the BMW F600 GS will feature a 590 cubic centimeters engine, with a maximum power output of 65 horsepower or 48 kilowatts. These figures place it right in the middle of the GS lineup, offering a significant performance boost over the F450 GS, while still falling short of the F900 GS. With these characteristics, the F600 GS has the potential to be an attractive option for riders seeking more power without having to jump straight into the 900 cubic centimeters class. Interestingly, the rear construction also bears a resemblance to the F450 GS. This motorcycle uses an aluminum swing arm with a rear shock mounted directly on the right side. Meanwhile, at the front, upside-down forks and spoked wheels further emphasize its true adventure character. This combination demonstrates that BMW isn't just going for looks. It's also equipping the F600 GS to handle rough roads and long-distance travel. Now we come to the most eye-catching part, its face. Although still covered in camouflage, the shape of the headlights is becoming clearly visible, featuring the signature X-shaped LEDs, a design reminiscent of the latest generation BMW GS models, including the R1300 GS. The tall windshield, large handguards, upright riding position, and sleek body make this bike look ready to serve as both a touring and adventure partner. And here's the most intriguing part. The BMW F600 GS is positioned right between the F450 GS and the F900 GS. This means BMW is opening up a new niche for riders who feel the 450 cubic centimeters is still underpowered, but the 900 cubic centimeters is too large for their needs. If these specs, around 590 cubic centimeters and 65 horsepower, are actually realized, the BMW F600 GS could become one of the most exciting mid-range adventure bikes to look forward to. A new GS, with more power, an aggressive design, and BMW's signature adventure DNA. The BMW F600 GS, could this be the new, sweet spot, in the GS family? We'll have to wait and see how BMW brings this bike to production. Thanks for watching.